So this area, guys, this is my favorite place because I can do my stuff that I like to do. I have a mirror, and if I need more light, I can turn this on, that and both side. So I have this for a couple years now because my husband do that DIY for me, and I have another mirror. Yeah, and I put here my lotion and perfume, and of course I put the tissue here, so easy for me to get a tissue. And then I have a proportion contour, then my daughter and me picture when we was in the Philippines. And then I have seashell here that I believe we have that one from Philippines. So also this one, guys, I got this one from Ross. I haven't decorated on this area yet because I don't know what else to put except a nail polish and then the boxes. This area I have my my lipsticks and lip liner that I use if I need. This is from ColourPop Milani from Wet n Wild, and then this one is Wet n Wild. It's like a cry on. I have this precision formula, and then this little, I don't have nothing in there, but I like to put here because of shiny. Yeah, it's really cute one. And then I have here letter A, then my lotion, and I just put the marble and then these beads for decoration. I get this bamboo plant from my friend, and this area I haven't decorated that much. Besides, I just put two picture of me and my daughter, and there's flower headbands, and all this stuff is my makeup and my planners. And I have only here a new candle. Then I have here a picture of me when we was in the Philippines. I have a box that I really like. I got this one from at Marba, I believe. So yeah, I like to read it. There's funny some words that I like to watch. And then I have these papers that I have for schedule. I need to put the one in my planner. And then I have put this toothpaste because it's pink. I like to have to put a little bit color. And I have my phone and my key, so I storage my stuff in here. And then this one is a rosary. I have that when I was in Philippines, so I need to keep them in one place that I need to look up when I, anyway, here this side is I put my headphone and my iPad. And this side, obviously our bed, my daughter there. So in this area it's a little bit dark because I did not turn the light. So there you go. So this area, it's my daughter place where when she wants to drawing. As you can see, there's a pads, and this one here, this is not it's a cake flowers, and she storage her sunglasses and necklace. Then she have a box from school, and she have also Alexa. Lucky she did not turn it on. Oh, somebody turned it off. And she have one picture and Christmas card from her sister, and then Hello Kitty there. That's her diary. And yeah, this is basically her area when she want to drawing or study. And there's more a fake flowers, and we storage her pencil and pen and notepad and more back there. So I DIY on this stuff I think long time ago. And in the bottom there's a stuffed toys and that dictionary books, and she have that storage something like that things that maybe later on we need, like this pencil and this multiplication stuff and her school backpack. And we have this TV, my husband picture. And this side, guys, it's all my shoes, that, and then also distinguisher. I just put the one in there in case you will really need it. And this one, guys, I know it's a lot of boxes and stuff. All of this I need to put that one in one box here so I can send it to the Philippines. And one of this stuff, this one here, guys, I need to bring that one to Marba when I have time. So let's go to the closet. Not much here, but I storage stuff up there that I don't often use, and boxes that it is storage that this stuff from like for summer stuff like that. And then here, and I have more this side, I have to do that for garage sales. Then if not, we're gonna send that one to consignment store. Then here, my daughter clothes, and this side it's mine, not much, and her shoes and more. American doll up there. So yeah, that's all. So in the bathroom, bathroom, not much guys, but I have already organized there, but I'm not gonna show you. This area, it's my daughter. This is her stuff, and that side it's mine. Not look pretty, but I just trying that stuff that I always use. And then the shower, not much, but anyway guys, this one side it's my feminine stuff that I use, TMI. And then I have a new shampoo that recently I'm loving it, and this is Maui Moisture, and this is shampoo and conditioner. And this one is also shampoo and conditioner, but I have we use only this whenever really need to like deep cleaning our hair. And this side is my body wash. I'm almost running out of this, so I got this one from the kids who give to me for Christmas gifts, so I tried that. And then this one here guys, it's already stuffed, that's empty. So yeah, that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching.